Hey everybody, got my swarm traps out. Let's go for a walk. It's gonna be brushy. Love these pine trees. A lot of blackberries coming out. Okay, I have 8 acres here. I put one trap down here by the pond under this big tree that's splitting in half. We got one right here facing southeast. No activity, but it's been raining and it's getting kind of cold. She's coming apart. No limbs on, they're all on the opposite sides. All right. Had some downtime, so I built a hive. Put my honeybees in if I can catch any. And I decided to just bait my hive too. What's one more chance? Ordered a bunch of stuff online for beekeeping. Should be in the mail in a week or two. I'll try and do a video on that. Kids playhouse. Shed. I put my other 2 traps on my other property down the road. Both facing southeast. I've got lemongrass in 2 and swarm commander in 1. Here's the hive that I made. All level. There's my hoe. Let's see if I can get this thing off. Holds all the frames. I've got 3 inches of insulation, and then I just covered it with fascia. That's about it. Boy, you can smell the lemongrass. Good. Keep in touch. We're gonna catch some bees. Thanks for watching.